At the next stop sign, turn left.
All right, what are you getting? A burger
Yeah.
or a fish sandwich?
A burger.
A burger.
At the stop sign, turn left onto Manitou Road.
Sandwich at Tom Wells could be a little bit spicy,
yeah?
in my head.
Oh, okay. So what happened?
Bill Gray's fish sandwich is better than Tom Wall's.
Oh, yeah. Oh, we're
Dad.
going to Tom Walls.
Yeah. So Dad will go to Tom Wells and Bill Gray's with me next month.
Uh-huh.
In 1.1 miles, turn right to New York 531 East, New York 386, Elm Grove Road.
Going to Dad.
Then use the left lane to stay to the left to I-490, New York 531 East.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's exciting.
Yeah, I know. You can't wait.
And I'll put some rules for everyone June 3rd through the 10th to make sure we're safe and respectful.
Okay, all righty. I can't wait.
Mm-hmm.
For you, I mean. I'm happy for you.
Uh-huh.
Oh, yeah.
In half a mile, use the right lane to turn right. Then use the left lane to stay to the left to I-490, New York 531 East.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto the New York 531 East ramp to I-490.
Turn right to New York 531 East, 1000 North 386. Turn right onto the New York 531 East ramp. Then use the left lane to stay to the left to I-490, New York 531 East. At the light, turn right onto the New York 531 East ramp. Then you'll take a slight left onto the New York 531 ramp.
I got the charger out just in case.
Oh, good.
Use the left lane to stay to the left to I-490, then merge on New York 531 East. Continue on New York in 1.3 miles, 1.5 miles. Stay to the left to I-490 East.
Are we going out west?
Yes,
Oh,
after
good.
the mall.
Oh, good.
I would like to go to Eastview first, and then
Oh, we'll be out there.
hop on the throughway, and then maybe go back to.
In 1 mile, use the left 2 lanes to stay to the left.
We'll do that.
It's not a bad day out, but it's a little bit chilly.
Hi, guys. Yeah, it's a little chilly.
I know.
Yeah, but it's not bad. It's cloudy.
In half a mile, use the left 2 lanes to take the I-490 East exit.
I'll stay right here. In this lane. Oh, all the signs are being replaced, or are they down?
They're replaced.
They're replaced.
Stay to the left lane to take the I-490 East exit.
All the signs were down, and some trees as well.
Yeah. You mean on 490?
Yeah. On 390 coming in, going west. 390. Whatever.
straight for 16.1 miles to exit 27, New York 96 toward Bushnell's Basin.
So how was your week, Cube?
It was great. Except for yesterday because I got a little suspended for spraying chemicals in people's eyes at school.
What was the chemical?
Bleach in it. So I'll return Monday and I will decided to have no more consequences for the rest of my life.
Is the person all right?
They're okay, but I'm glad no one got hurt.
Were you mad or?
I'm mad.
Were you mad at the person? That's why you threw?
Yeah.
What'd you get mad at? You don't usually get mad or angry.
No.
You got angry?
Yeah.
What was the anger over?
Because it's not because of the stuff I want, but I was watching the roads on YouTube quietly.
Oh, and you're not supposed to? Or somebody said something?
Maybe during work or something.
Okay. Well, let's listen to that now.
All right.
Are we going on the carousel?
Yeah.
But
And then next weekend after the chicken dinner dance, Friday, May 8th, go to Grease Ridge.
okay. What chicken dinner?
Big Ridge Road in Spenceport at
there's
Bosse's.
oh,
A
yeah.
festival.
Oh, can I go? Can we go together?
Yeah.
I didn't know about it. Is it on Saturday?
Friday.
Oh, it's on a Friday. Sounds good though.
History of crashes for the next 0.5 miles.